welcome to the Amo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our sixth question in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. Let's going to take triangle ABC and triangle. So triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, they're telling that if angle A and angle X. So angle A and angle X, these are the angles. Angle A and angle X are acute angles. That is, these angles are less than 90 degrees. So angle A and angle X less than 90 degrees. So this one are acute angles such that cosine A will be equal to cosine X. Then show that angle A will be equal to angle X. So they are given what they are given conditions, right? So cosine A will be equal to cosine X. If it is like that, what we have to do? RTP, the required to prove is angle A will be equal to angle X. So this one we have to show. So from these conditions, what we can take it here is, we can go with the one method. If you take congruency rule of SS's congruency, if we can show these two triangles are similar triangles, then you can say these two angles are equal. So let's going to take one constant. So what is cosine A? So this cosine A will be equal to, so let's going to write cosine A, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So AB will be AB by hypotenuse is what? AC. So this is hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse. So adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is cosine A, that is AB by AC. Then what you can take it here is another one. What is that? They are telling that here this one cosine X. So cosine X will be equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is what? XY by hypotenuse is XZ. So these two are equal. They are telling that cosine A from cosine X. So cosine A will be equal to cosine X. Cosine A is what? AB by AC. Then cosine X will be XY by XZ. Let's take these two are equal to some constant K. So these two are equal to some constant K. From these, what you can take it here is, so these two are equal, then equate both the ratios. So equate both the ratios. So AB by AC, that means AB by, so let's going to take here AB by AC will be equal to K. That implies AB will be equal to KAC. So KAC, K is a constant. Again, XY by XZ, that will be equal to some constant K. That implies XY will be equal to some constant into XZ. So these are the functionalities. So let's take the ratio of these two are equal. So as we know, AB by the ratios are equal means AB will be equal to XY. That means let's going to take this as a ratios AB by XY. So let's take it AB by XY. What you can take it here is AB by XY. Let's write it here. So AB by XY. So we are taking ratios. What is the AB value? The AB value will be equal to KAC. KXY will be equal to KXZ. So these two are going to cancel. KK will going to cancel. That means AC by XZ. Therefore, let's take equation AB by XY will be equal to AC by XZ. Let's take, this is equation 1. Let's move on to the next one. So we need to find what is the hypotenuse values. We know that hypotenuse we know and adjacent side we know, but we should know what is the conditions of opposite sides. So for this, from Pythagoras theorem, what you can say here is, from Pythagoras theorem, let's find it this one. From Pythagoras, so from Pythagoras theorem, we can write it one thing. So from triangle ABC, what you can write, that BC square plus AB square will be equal to AC square. So that hypotenuse square will be equal to sum of that is AC square. So BC square will be equal to AC square minus AB square. Then BC will be equal to square root of AC square minus AB square. So let's take BC is what? So AC is equals to what, you can take it, that AC will be, we know that AC square, AB is equals to what? KAC square. So we know this one, KAC whole square. Let's take common of here, AC square minus K square, AC square. So this one, AC square, if you take common and K square, so 1 minus, we can take it like this. So 1 minus K square, 1 minus K square. So that one you can take it, let's going to divide this. Let's move on to this, and AC square root of AC square and square root of 1 minus K square. So here square root will going to cancel, then what value we will get it? AC into square root of 1 minus K square. This is BC. Let's take similarly you can take triangle XYZ. So as we know AB is equals to KAC. So from Pythagoras theorem, same condition, triangle XYZ. So from there, what you can write it here is, so XYZ, what is the hypotenuse? What is this? So XZ square will be equal to XY square plus YZ square. So we need to find the YZ square. So YZ square, YZ will be equal to square root of, directly I am writing XZ square minus XY square. So XZ square, we know that XY is nothing but XZ. So XZ square minus XY, we know that KXZ whole square. So let's take this one as common, then XZ square. So here K square, XZ square. Let's take common of XZ square. So XZ square, if you take common, 1 minus K square. So and divide this XZ whole square root will going to cancel, and square root of 1 minus K square. So this one we know. So from this, what you can see here is, therefore YZ will be equal to XZ into square root of 1 minus K square. So let's take common of, this is BC and ratios. So let's going to take ratio of this. BC will be equal to, what is that? AC into square root of 1 minus K square. Then what is XZ? So let's going to take YZ. So YZ will be equal to XZ into square root of 1 minus K square. So BC by, let's take ratio of these two. BC by YZ will be equal to AC into 1 minus K square by XZ into 1 minus K square. So these two will going to cancel. These two values will going to cancel. Then what value we will get it? So here we will get it as AC by XZ. AC by XZ. AC by XZ. So as we know from equation 1, what you can write from equation, this one as it is, let's take equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, what you can write it here is BC by YZ will be equal to AC by XZ. That will be equal to AC by XZ. AC by XZ will be equal to. So similarly from equation, what is the equation 1 we taken? So equation 1 we taken as AB by XY will be equal to AC by XZ, AB by XY. AC by XZ will be equal to AB by XY. So therefore, what you can write it, from all the triangles, from all these things, ratios are equal. By what you can write it here is, by SSS congruency criterion, congruency rule or criterion, you can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. So from these conditions, so this is AB by YZ and AC by XZ and AB by XY. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are always equal. So corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Since therefore what you can say here is, therefore angle A is equal to angle X. That is the case here. Angle A will be equal to angle X. Since you can write one more thing, angle B will be equal to angle Y, then and angle C will be equal to angle Z. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.